All right, you ready? So this is my Humble Lamb Bible that my wife got me for Father's Day this year. I cannot wait to see this thing. I have not seen it yet. I have been wanting a Humble Lamb forever. This is the history edition of the Humble Lamb Bibles. They have several different kinds. They have Shepherd edition. They have several different ones. So this is the history edition. I've been wanting a Humble Lamb forever, and I am excited to see this. This is the lunar yellow, and I haven't seen it yet, but I'm excited to see this. So here we are. Got a beautiful card from the publisher inside. Here we are. Yellow Bible here with the black covering on it. Get these. My Lord, the feel of that goatskin leather is unbelievable. And one thing that I love about this is that this is a great size Bible for taking to the pulpit. It's smaller, and so this is a great pulpit preaching Bible. Another thing I love about this Bible is it says the Word of God on the side of it. I love that. That's amazing. And man, this leather is some kind of fine. Check out the inside. It says the history and Humble Lamb at the bottom. I'll try to get a good, here we go, the gilding, art gilding on the pages. It has Jesus in the middle, and on this side there's scenes from the Old Testament, and on this side over here there are scenes from the New Testament. And so absolutely beautiful artwork on the gilding. All right, let's go. And at the headings of all of the different sections, they have unique artwork that corresponds with whatever story or theme is being written about that particular place. Absolutely beautiful. What makes this Bible unique, here's Matthew chapter 5. I accidentally actually turned here, but what makes this Bible unique is that the words of Jesus are in blue instead of red. And just see the amazing artwork on all the headings. It's absolutely gorgeous. And with the yellow and black, I love that. Ooh, it's also a first print edition. That's awesome. Has the black, has 3 black ribbons. 3 black ribbons. And also scattered throughout this Bible is tons of art depicting the various scenes and stories in the Bible. I have Allen Bibles. I have Schuyler Bibles. Lindsay has bought me a Schuyler wide margin that is absolutely phenomenal. But this Bible right here is unique in so many different ways. It lays beautifully, and all the I've never seen a Bible where the cross references are on the side here like that. And just the art, just look at the art gilding. when the Bible's laid open. It's amazing. All right, this is an amazing Bible. This is one of the elite Bible makers, and thank you so much for this beautiful piece of art. And it is the it's the NASB. It's in the NASB. It's a NASB 2020. Yep. See, it has the New American Standard. It's the 2020 edition of the NASB. Great translation. Thank you for this beautiful piece of work.
The Word of God.
The Word of God. I love it.